So if you saw my last video, I made a program, an AI program that restores websites from the internet. Now, I am having an issue with Namecheap here. I'm looking for a lawyer to sue Namecheap for falsifying a domain and nullifying it on my account. So basically, my program, my AI program, what it does is it takes the old website and is able to restore it. I go ahead and I bought this domain here, OLPH Toronto, and I took the previous content and I put it on the exact website. So basically, it's an exact restore of the information that it had. So go ahead and read this. They're saying that I messed with the information and I forged the informations and signatures and stuff like that. This is defamation, and I want a lawsuit lawyer to go ahead and start attacking Namecheap. Let's do it. You see here it says it has been noticed that it's fraudulent and misleading content. There's nothing fraudulent and misleading about restoring a website from Wayback Restore. So I have the email here for their inept and incompetent answers. And I mean, we have everything here. We can just take them to court. I don't know, 10,000, 100,000, $1 million lawsuit here. I don't know.